Hi there guys, today we'll be doing a video on this little Red Henry Hoover that I own. Now this is my 1995 example. This machine has got a new base on it, as you can see. I've got the newer style wheels on there, but it's an older style nose connection, but it's a newer base. The old base was a bit bashed up. I did put a new top covering on it, but I thought it'd look nicer with this original one. I don't have none of the original pieces for this, because this one came from my nan. I have refurbished it. It is a bit grubby. It sits around. I don't use it that much. Have a look inside. We've got a brand new filter. This is brand new. Got given this by my school, so I'll put that in there. And I've got a brand new Hepaflow Hoover bag, so it'll all be picking up fine. Put the nose back on. We're not going to put no dirt on the floor today. We're just going to use it like this. So be back in a sec. So it's all been plugged in now. Let's give it a quick go around my room. See how it does. So it's got quite a bit of power for however old it is. I'm not certain because it ain't got the sticker that fell off years ago. And I was just I was a tiny little child. I think I was about 5 when I pulled it off. But yeah, there's that. I think the poles on this are original, I'm not sure. But they're just some attachments I have from my cupboard. So there's that. Hope you enjoyed watching. Please all like and subscribe. And bye for now.